Hi friends, this is Jeevan. Okay friends, today I will see about a ghost beach in India. Okay, this is a beach in India of the state of Maharashtra. It is a very popular state. In that state, how the ghost can come in that state? Okay, today we will see about this thing. Before that, we will talk about this. Before that, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. I'm waiting for your subscription. Okay, I will continue our thing. Before that, okay, in this beach, it is an banned after sunset. We cannot go after sunset in that beach. In the night, it is an ghost beach. In the morning, it's the beach like an marina. How it can possible? Today we will see about this thing. Okay, now we'll go to our video. Okay, before starting our video, we want to talk about this. This is a thing of urban legend of this beach. This is the biggest urban legend of this beach. This from this I have get this information. Okay, for the articles over the writing the articles and the bloggers who are there, for them it is a festival thing. Okay, I have searched this also in the blog. Okay, in this blog the so much blogs also there for of this. Okay, so much means I think very thing are there. After that, this thing, the beach, you can, when you are going to the beach, there's something we will talk about the beach now. After that, some cases, some topics are there. Why the news in the news TV's channels, any channels has not came this news, but the articles, blogs, why this much? We'll see this kind of questions. What are the why the TV channels are not putting, why the blog channel are putting, and what is the beach and what is that flashback? We'll see all the kind of thing. Okay, we'll start from the beach. In this beach, okay, then when you going there, you can notice that the first thing is the black soil. Okay, it's like an blackish soil. You can see in the European countries, but the local peoples who are not educated, they are telling like that it is a ashes of the burned peoples who are burned there. From their ashes are mixed with the sand, and after continuing this process, this is something happened. The sand is colored changed. This kind of thing. This is an local people's what is their promises. Okay, this is the first thing. The second thing, when you entering, this is an entering, when you entering the beach, after you are going down and means you are going nearby beach, you want to walk 10 to 15 minutes from the entrance to this. Okay, you want to enter year to year. And what is the ghost symbols, you can ask me. I have also this also. Okay, it is after night 15 minutes of sound will listen of a girl is crying. Next 15 minutes the boy is laughing. And next 20, not 2 hours, it is the dogs are barking like a psycho. This is an symbols of ghost is there. The local peoples are telling that. I think it is also the legend. Okay, this is also the legend, could be, but in that backstory of this beach, I have listened that. After that, I have think that it could be real. Because of it, I am uploading this video. How much possible, it can take some time, but how much possible fast, I will put that much fast. Okay, quickly or shortest. Okay, before that I want to tell one thing. You want to earn money? I have the earning playlist. You can search that and you can also earn money. Okay, and now we'll go to our thing. These three things are there, and the police is also afraid that what? The police is also afraid how the protection will be there where the peoples are there in the night. Because of it, it is banned after sunset. Okay, in the morning like an marina, in the evening it is an ghost city. These two things. Okay, these two things are there in the okay. After why means it is an illegal city where the drug suppliers and the extra illegal things are there. It is an city of illegal thing in the night. Because of it, they are banned after sunset. After sunset, the polices are more and more like an people, public. Where are there? This kind of things. Okay, this is an thing of the beach. This is what is a beach? We are learned about. After that, I have a question. Why the news channels are not uploading, not publishing this news? Because this is an urban legend. They are who are the things are there. They are telling like that. It is an urban legend. It could be not anything like an Bloody Mary, La Llorona. These kind of things are there. Okay, we also want to put this kind of things. Okay, we'll come. It is an if it is urban legend, it is our urban legend. If it is an story, it is mystery story. Okay, we'll upload in two kind of videos also. Okay, urban legends and this kind of things also. Okay, the next thing, why the bloggers are uploading much and much more. Okay, because in this Dumas beach, I have forgotten to tell that the state of Maharashtra, in that Saurat, in that Dumas beach, its name. Okay, after that, why the because it is an more issues are happened in any more places in our India. It is more than that. Because of it, but it is an urban legend. Because of it, the news channels are not uploading that. But who are the article writing articles, it is an gold like kind thing of for them. Okay, I also read this. When you are typing that, you can also search that there is only blogs, not the TV newses are there. Okay, this is an part. After will come that backstory of this beach. Okay, it is an will come like an story. Okay, it is an joint family. In that joint family, there is an boy like Victor. Okay, after his papa, his mama, his grandpa, and his grandpa, and his uncle, his her wife, and his two sons, they are going to this Dumas beach in the afternoon. Okay, it is a Sunday. They are going there for the weekends. Who are enjoying that because there is a nearest beach for them. It is it. Because of it, they are going there. Okay. After going there, they are come like an picnic. They are eating food like were taken from the home, and they are going enjoying that weekend for 2 hours. Okay, it not extending again and this full day. Okay, after some time only it has totally buffled. Okay, because the Victor is missing. After how they have missed, I will tell that story. Okay, after packing, they are packing. After the rush of bunch of peoples are going out of this beach, because it is evening. Okay, evening, what is the story? You all don't know. Because of it, there are bunches of peoples are going out of this beach. Okay, when I recording this video, I have this tagged 2 times. I have cleared, I have done the full and fully videos, but it has like an kitch this kind of things are full and fully buffered. After that, this is a third video. I don't know, this video also found you. Okay, I am uploading this. Okay, I don't found anything. This is a third video. I am uploading this shadow also like that. Okay, when I am seeing here, I have the face here. When here, okay, we'll test. Okay, it is me. Okay, don't be afraid for me. Okay, because it is 2 p.m. not 2 a.m. because of it I am uploading this video. Okay, this is something. After going there, bunches of people, they are also in the bunches of people. After that, they are noticing that the Victor is missing. After the bunches of people are pushing them, but also they are finished that and they are telling that they are searching how much possible, that much they cannot find that the Victor. Okay, after it has evening, after banning. Okay, we keep it as after banning. The polices are coming in the night. Okay, to watch what happened. It is an illegal city, because of it the police are roaming, because the friend to 10, we want to walk 10 minutes, could be 800 to 1 kilometer could be there. Okay, because of it, it is an illegal cities, one of the biggest illegal cities, you can keep it as. Okay, after the police are asking this to, after that they are telling like that it is Victor is missing. After that, the police are telling that come to our station and file a case, or file a case to us, and will how much possible fast, that much fast I will tell you the news. Okay, they are telling this thing. After that, this thing, the grandpa, grandma and his sons are there. They are telling the brother of, and will keep it as Victor's father, Victor's uncle. They too are standing here, and the whole family is going to their home, because it is a night, it is an illegal city, and it is an ghost beach. Okay, you can keep it as like that. After that, the group of police, they are telling. After that, 3 members are talking. The station, means the inspector and the 2 constables, and these 2 uncle and father, they are talking that I want today itself my son, I don't come without my son, they are telling like that. Okay, after that, the police is telling that I have leaving here my 1 constable, and please be safe, it is an illegal city in the night, more than the ghost city. Okay, it is a main thing. Please be quiet, be careful. Okay, this is a thing the police, the inspector is telling. After that, the 1 constable and the inspector is going to station. 1 constable, uncle, father is there. After that, the father is splitting that, and the constable and the uncle is splitting too, because it is a biggest speech. I tell that because of it, yeah, they are splitting that here and here. Okay, these 2 sides they are going that. In that time, was the father of him, means the Victor's father, he is listening the voice of Victor. Okay, is going the way of the sound is coming. After going for 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, there is a dead body. Okay, there is a dead body but what you can believe, you where is I will give the option to you. After the end of our video I will tell what happened. Okay, what will do the father what will do when the seeing the dead body. Okay, I will tell the reaction. After that, for in that 15 minutes after will come like that. After in this side, okay, the constable and the or the uncle, they also searching how much possible, they that much of them they are searching in that time. Okay, in this time the Victor's voice is still listening her father. He is going to the waves. In that beach no wave will come, only the normal like an not like an river also it will move. The water will be like that in the same form. Okay, it will not come, the waves will not come in that beach. Okay, they are sitting in the near of the beach. Okay, after that here in this side the constable and uncle, they are seeing that the Victor is there. Here they have helped him and they have found them. In this place the father is attacked by the wave. Okay, this is an biggest urban legend in this time. Okay, all the time of this Dumas beach. Okay, what will happen I will tell now. The when they are seeing that dead body, it is an article I have read that when they are seeing, it is an seeing by the sky. Okay, there is an seeing the dead body is opening the eyes and they are seeing top. Okay, after that the father is Victor's father is afraid of my son, means they are thinking like that. Okay, because of it they are searching they are very afraid of that. After that the Victor's sound is going through the wave, because of it they are going near the waves. Okay, and for them I don't know, I think a small thing, it is also don't listen as the thing. Okay, I am telling simply. I think if it is a movie I will give the twist like this twist. Okay, this is a twist, there is an thing curse. Okay, in the curse you want to live your life to alive of your son. This is a thing I will tell if I am the director. I think it is you when the ending will come, I think it could be, I don't know, it is a twist. If I the director, it is a movie. Okay, this is something I will do. If you are the director, what you will do, you can keep in the comment section. Okay, this is our end of our video. Until then, bye from Jeevan.